Yeah, first of all, thanks to you and to Kiran sir's team. And it was a very pleasant one. And I have attended so many webinars and courses, but this one is one thing which is standing apart from the others, because the structured way that you have taught me, step
Right.
number A, B, C, D, E, F, so on and so forth. So that way, what it does is it helps me to eliminate the unwanted things and then focus on the main thing that we wanted to
Correct.
objective is that, and that was mind blowing for me. The second part is all about the asset allocation. There is the money allocation, and then how much you want to deploy your funds and how you want to rotate your portfolio. That is a new concept, which is totally, absolutely mind blowing. And third one is how do you want to stay focused? So the examples that you gave over here, it's
Right.
absolutely mind blowing. And thanks for that. And from the bottom of the heart, I would say I have really found a mentor whom I can rely upon and I can lean on your shoulders. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much.